Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, check it out. These are some of the healthiest foods that you could ever eat. And they're natural foods that help your liver detox. Mike Foster here. Hey, I just quit drinking. It's been a week. And my liver enzymes were a little high, the doctor told me. They weren't out of control yet, but they said, Mike, you need to cleanse and detox your liver. And I said, well, how do you do that? They said, first thing you do is you quit drinking. And I haven't had any wine in 7 days, and my goal is to complete the entire year, 100 days with no booze of any kind, and to eat these foods so I can have a natural detox. This is a natural detox. This is how you naturally detox your liver. I ain't kidding. The first thing you need to do, of course, is don't put any alcohol in it, because alcohol is not good for your liver. Your liver is one of the most important organs that you have, and you have to treat it right. The next thing you do is eat these foods. Believe it or not, green tea, 3 glasses a day, and this is a really nice Sencha green tea, is good for you. Now, I have links below on every single one of these food groups on why you should eat them, and you should click on that for all the different nutrients in there. But green tea is one. Eat nuts, and I have a bunch of videos on all kind of nuts. All kind of nuts are good, but walnuts are one of the best for liver detox. And I'll tell you, they're delicious. Grapes, of course, I have a video on why you should eat walnuts, why you should eat grapes. I'm not going to say it again because there's links below on every one of these, especially red grapes for the resveratrol. These will help your detox. What else? Garlic, one of the greatest foods in the world. Add that to your daily diet. Now, cruciferous vegetables. This is the broccoli family. This is the cabbage family. It's also Brussels sprouts, kale. These are cruciferous vegetables, which are awesome for you. They're really heart healthy, but they're good for the liver cleanse. Eat these. Now, what you could do, hold on. Olive oil is in that group too, and so is citrus. So you got citrus, like you could put lemon in there, but I also have this nice grapefruit drink, which I drink, and I'll tell you how I drink that. But the point of doing the citrus, you could take lemon. You could take your olive oil. You can make a little vinaigrette with that, with a little vinegar, olive oil, lemon, and vinegar. That's going to get some of the key components for a good liver detox. And then you add fresh coleslaw or kale or any other kind of greens, and that's going to get all those together. Think about it. One of the other products is turmeric. Now, I have this in the powder form for seasoning, and I have this in the capsule form. Those are the easiest way to get it, but add that to your diet. Avocados, again, add that to that salad, but these are easy to eat every day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, I eat one of those every morning. And the other key is this stuff. This is beetroot juice, and I'm telling you, this stuff is an acquired taste. What I usually do is I pour that beetroot juice, about this much in a cup, and I top it off with about that much grapefruit, and I chug that down. Start off with 1 glass of that a day, and then see how that works for you. But I will tell you, when you do go to the bathroom, your stuff will look like this. So don't be afraid, don't be scared, nothing's happening, but this stuff's going to come out of you like that, and it should go away eventually through use. So I just showed you the foods for a natural liver detox. The other key is something you should be doing anyway, and that's drinking as much water as possible, especially if you want to flush out your system, your liver, and clean it out for a good detox. I drink about 6 of these a day, and I like to drink, I'll give them a plug, Crystal Geyser. It's a natural spring water. I do believe that the natural spring waters are the best to eat, are the best to drink. And I don't really drink tap water. It's not trustworthy. Make sure you use a filter if you're drinking that stuff. But get the natural spring water, not just bottled water, because sometimes it doesn't even make a difference. So this is it. No booze, lots of water, and all these amazing foods. The good part about this is I already drink green tea every day. I always snack with nuts. I like to snack with grapes. I take turmeric every day. I use olive oil every day. Nothing wrong with adding some, good healthy vegetables in your life, apples, and just add this drink. So if you're looking for a good natural detox for your liver, try this and let me know how it works. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel and subscribe. And tell people about Live Life 365, and good luck out there. And until next time, peace.
Live life 365.